Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about Macario DTU, a renewed Mindanaoan historian, fictionist, critic, and educator. Siya ay isang kilalang manunulat at historiador mula sa Mindanao. Macario DTU is a prolific writer who has won numerous awards for his short stories and historical writings. Two of his notable works are Davao 1890 to 1910, Conquest and Resistance in the Garden of the Gods, and Davao, Reconstructing History from the Text and Memory. Ang mga libro niya ay patunay ng kanyang husay sa pagsulat at pagmamahal sa kasaysayan ng Mindanao. According to Macario DTU, his writing process involves developing story ideas in his head first, often triggered by observations, events, or readings. Sabi niya, I develop ideas in my head first, I then think of the characters and plot things out. He emphasized the importance of disciplines in writing, noting that serious writers write every day to keep their minds working. Tiyu's core philosophy in writing is to leave a lasting impact on his readers. Gusto niya na ang mga mambabasa ay makapag-isip at makapag-realize ng mga bagay-bagay. He draws inspiration from the world's great literatures, which often explore grand themes and conditions. As a Mindanaoan writer, Tiyo identifies lack of publication venues and readership as a significant challenges. Sabi niya, lack of venue for publication and lack of readership. A culture of reading has to be developed. He hopes that more writer groups will emerge to keep literary writings alive in Mindanao. In conclusion, Macario DTU works are testament to his passion for literature and history. Sana'y magsilbing inspirasyon ang kanyang mga akda sa mga aspiring writers, lalo na sa mga taga Mindanao. Let's continue to appreciate and support the works of writers like Macario DTU. If you're interested in learning more about Macario DTU and Philippine literature, check out the links below for more resources. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and literature and culture. Salamat sa pagnood at pagtingin.